3, 2, 1. Winter weather advisories are in effect until 11 a.m. Thursday for Clinton, Ingham, as well as Eaton counties around Lansing. They're not in effect down to the south for Jackson and Hillsdale because we are going to be looking for some warmer temperatures and mostly rain the further down to the south you go. But morning is when the snow will start to move in, and it could wreak havoc on the morning commute, mainly because the snow is going to be coming down in a quick little time frame. Then it moves on out of here. So it will be sticking to the roads. And again, just to reiterate, down to the south, we'll have more warm temperatures and rain. And you can see the south wind right here that will be causing that. But notice as we go throughout your Thursday morning, the dark purples, that's where we could see 1, maybe up to 2 inches per hour. So even though it's a quick hitting system, with snowfall rates like that, you do end up with a couple of inches on the ground. Notice that heavier band moves through pretty quickly by 9 o'clock. And then on the backside, might even wrap around a little bit of rain as temperatures surge to near 40 degrees. Then as the system leaves, we're not quite done. Now, no more snow will be falling, but a northwest wind sustained over 20 miles per hour, gusting to near 40 at times. That's going to be a little bit miserable to deal with for the rest of the day. You then see some lake effect cloud cover that'll be lasting into the day Friday, maybe a few flurries here or there. We're just not seeing what we need in the atmosphere for a really big lake effect setup this time, but some lake effect snow showers could be possible, at least over on the west side of the state. Snowfall totals 3 to 5, pretty much on the northern periphery of our viewing area, so northern Clinton County, maybe even a little further off to the north. So we're talking Ithaca, Alma, Mount Pleasant. For Lansing, Lake Odessa, even Portland, Perry, over towards Fowlerville and Mason, this is where we're just going to have an absolute sloppy mess of 1 to 3 inches, slushy, rain falls into it. It's just not going to be very pretty. And again, whatever does fall to the south will melt because those temperatures will be nice and warm. So there's our numbers swinging up into the upper 30s, if not lower 40s down to the south. Now, whatever little tiny bit of snow might be left after that is just going to turn into an icy layer on the ground as we plummet down into the 20s. For your Friday, this could be one of the very few days this whole winter that we have a high temperature of 30 degrees or less. And again, take a look at some of these wind speeds, gusting over 40 miles per hour at times as we go throughout the day. But this little compact, vigorous storm system, that's all we're tracking on the back side of it, trying to get some lake effect into the mix here, but again, things just not looking that favorable for it. Overall, the storm system is definitely going to be something that we haven't dealt with much this winter, but then we go right back into a warmer pattern.